Hey guys, what's up? It's Mana here. Okay, real talk. I've been noticing something lately. A lot of you seem like you are kinda struggling in the dating world right now, huh? And like maybe you tried talking to a cute girl on a dating app and poof, she disappeared. No explanation, no message. Just gone like a ghost in a horror movie. And let's be honest, some of you are walking around the city and seeing literally millions of cute girls, but still can't seem to make eye contact with even one. So the big question is, how do you actually meet Japanese women? I talked a little bit about this in one of my recent videos, but today, let's go a little deeper. And more importantly, how do you get the Japanese woman's attention without making it weird? Well, don't worry, I got you covered. Today, I'm going to give you 7 simple tips to help you grab a Japanese woman's attention. So, if you're a guy, here's how you flirt with a Japanese woman without becoming that guy everyone avoids. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Tip number 1, skip the jokes. Start simple. When you see a Japanese woman you find attractive, don't start with a joke. I know in some culture, cracking a joke is the classic move to break the ice, but in Japan, most women are a little cautious when you see a stranger for the first time. So if you jump in with something like, "Hey, did it hurt when you fell from heaven?" She's gonna laugh. She's going to run. Instead, just ask a small normal question, something simple like, "Excuse me, do you know if this cafe has Wi-Fi?" or "Hey, is the seat taken?" Japanese women often answer politely with a smile, and once the first little conversation starts, you can keep it going with a normal everyday chat. Nothing fancy, no weird jokes, just a human conversation, and slowly she will start to feel comfortable talking to you because you are showing her that you are not a weirdo, which, let's be honest, is step 1 in flirting anywhere, right? Tip number 2, fix your photos. Check your photos like right now, your dating app profile, your Instagram, Facebook, Line, whatever you're using, because honestly, I've seen so many guys whose profile pictures look like they were taken back in 2020 with potato, or the lighting is so bad so you look like a zombie in a horror movie, or you smile. Let's be honest, sometimes the smile looks a bit creepy even if you are actually a super nice person. I get a lot of men aren't great at knowing what's their best photo. So, if you're using dating apps to post selfies, check your photos again, and this is important. Ask your friends which one looks the best. Friends who see your face all the time or who know what you really look like. Don't ask your mom. Your mom gonna say all your photos are cute no matter what. You don't have to be super handsome, but choose your photos that show the best version of you. Looking natural, relaxed, approachable, not some weird supermodel pose. So yeah, take 5 minutes and update your photos and show the world the real best version of yourself. Tip number 3, know your best feature and own it. Know what makes you attractive. I mean, seriously, what's your best feature? Your smile, your eyes, your voice, your fashion sense, your arms? Everyone has something. Maybe it's small, but it's yours. If you're not sure, easy, ask your close friends, the ones who will tell you the truth, not just gas you up. And then once you figure it out, use it a little bit. Not in a weird showing off way, but just enough to let people notice your charm. For example, one of my guy friends, he loves his six-pack. Every time he's feeling good about himself, guess what? He takes off his t-shirt. I mean, it's a little ridiculous sometimes, like, calm down bro, we are just eating ramen. But you know what? We appreciate his effort. We see how much he worked hard training his body. It makes people happy to see someone confident with their own skin. And guess what? Even after a breakup, this friend still find a girlfriend again. Why? Because he knows his charm and use it with confidence, not arrogance. So find your charm and show it naturally. Confidence is attractive when it comes from a real happy place. Tip number 4, prepare 10 funny stories to make her smile. Okay, tip number 4, don't stop at the first impression. Okay, picture this. You finally did it. You said hi and asked a good question and she smiled. First impression, success. But then your brain's like, huh? What I say next? If you freeze up and have nothing interesting to say, that cute first impression fades away so fast. So, what do? Prepare at least 10 funny or interesting little stories in advance. Nothing too serious, please no life drama on the first chat, and no deep dive into your stamp collection or some Spanish hobbies. Save that for later. Pick light on the easy topics like something funny that happened at work, a little travel mistake you made in Japan when your cat punched the cookie you were about to eat. The goal is to make her laugh just a little bit and help her relax. So if she smiles, if she laughs, even a small laugh, congrats, that's your second impression success. And when someone has fun talking with you, they want to talk with you again. Tip number 5, know what beard style is attractive and what's not. Let's talk about beards. Now, as you might know, in Japanese society, a lot of men shave their beard or mustache for work. It's just seen as clean, professional, and makes a good impression. But does that mean Japanese women hate beards? No, it's not that dramatic. It's all about your style. Here's the thing. A long untrimmed beard, it often makes you look older than you actually are, and to be honest, a lot of Japanese women see a big beard and think, oh, grandma vibes, or my uncle from the countryside. So that's not exactly the hot foreign boyfriend I think you are going for, right? So, if you want to get attention from Japanese women, just keep it clean and neat. Either shave it off completely or trim it well so it looks fresh, not wild. A little stubble, that can be stylish. A long mountain man beard, not so much in Japan. Keep it simple, clean, and you will definitely look approachable and younger. Tip number 6, good posture. Instant confidence boost. Your posture sets everything. Have you ever stopped and thought, wait, what do I actually look like when I'm walking down the street? Or you are sitting in a cafe, are you searching over your phone like a sad little shrimp? Bad posture like hunching your back or dropping your head makes you look insecure, negative, or honestly a little shady. But when you keep your back straight, your chest open, your head up, instantly more confident, instantly more attractive. Wherever you are, sitting in a chair, walking around the street, standing in line for bubble tea, keep your neck straight and your back tone like your head is gently reaching toward the sky. That kind of energy feels manly, calm, and confident. And honestly, women everywhere, not just in Japan, notice that. So yeah, maybe today's the day to stop looking like a tired office worker and start walking like a confident lion. Tip number 7, smile. It's your secret weapon. Finally, tip number 7, just smile. Seriously, a smile is the easiest and most powerful way to break through someone's guard. If your face looks dark, serious, or you are frowning, Japanese women will probably keep their distance. Why? Because from a woman's perspective, men are usually bigger, stronger, and a little bit scary at first. If they don't know you yet, you could feel like a threat. But the moment you smile, you instantly look safer, friendlier, and more fun to talk to. A warm smile says, I'm gonna hurt you, I'm open to conversation, I'm just a guy having a nice day. So don't forget to smile, and please make sure your teeth are clean. So, there you have it, 7 tips to help you get the attention of Japanese women. If you understand these basics and actually try them, I really believe you will leave a great impression and naturally attract their attention. And when you do that, a small effort can bring big results. I hope this video helps you get the attention you are looking for and maybe, just maybe, some great results in your love life too. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I would be happy if you hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye!